வியூவர்ஸ், என்னோட வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தாலும் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் நான் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மோட்டிவேட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ லைக், ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் மை வீடியோ. ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் கிளாசிக்ஸ் டேர்ம் 2 யூனிட் 3 ஃப்ரம் chiefdoms to empires book exercise question and answer and higher order thinking question. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, the kingdom which was most powerful among the four Magajanapadas. Option A Anga, option B Magadha, option C Kosala, option D Vaji. The correct answer is option B Magadha. Second one, among the following, who was the contemporary of Gautama Buddha? Option A Ajatasattu, option B Bindusara, option C Padmanabhananda, option D Brihadatta. The correct answer is option A Ajatasattu. Third one, which of the following are the sources of Mauryan period? Option A Arthasastra, option B Indica, option C Mudrakshasa, option D all. The correct answer is option D all. Fourth one, Chandragupta Maurya abdicated the throne and went to Saravana-Belagola along with the Jain saint Das. Option A Bhadrabahu, option B Stulabahu, option C Prashavanada, option D Rushabhanada. The correct answer is option A Bhadrabahu. Fifth one, Das was the ambassador of Seleucus Nicator. Option A Ptolemy, option B Kautilya, option C Xerxes, option D Megasthenes. The correct answer is option D Megasthenes. Sixth one, who was the last emperor of Mauryan dynasty? Option A Chandragupta Maurya, option B Asoka, option C Brihadatta, option D Bindusara. The correct answer is option C Brihadatta. Second Roman letter, match the statement with the reason, tick the appropriate answer. First one, statement, Ashoka is considered as one of the India's greatest rulers. Reason, he ruled according to the principle of Dhamma. Option A, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Option B, both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C, A is true but R is false. Option D, A is false but R is true. Here the correct answer is option A, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Second one, which of the statements given below is or are correct? Statement 1, Chandragupta Maurya was the first ruler who unified entire India under one political unit. Statement 2, the Arthasastra provide information about the Mauryan administration. Option A, only 1. Option B, only 2. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. Here the correct answer is option C, both 1 and 2. Third one, consider the following statements and find out which of the following statements is or are correct. Statement 1, Chandragupta Maurya was the first king of Magadha. Statement 2, Rajagriha was the capital of Magadha. Option A, only 1. Option B, only 2. Option C, 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. Here the correct answer is option B, only 2. Statement 2 is correct. Fourth one, arrange the following dynasties in chronological order. Option A, Nanda, Sisunaga, Aryanka, Maurya. Option B, Nanda, Shishunaga, Maurya, Aryanka. Option C, Aryanka, Sisunaga, Nanda, Maurya. Option D, Sisunaga, Maurya, Nanda, Aryanka. So here the correct answer is option C, Aryanka, Sisunaga, Nanda and Maurya dynasty. Fifth one, which of the following factors contributed to the rise of Magadhan Empire? 1. Strategic location. Number 2. Thick forest supplied timber and elephant. Number 3. Control over sea. Number 4. Availability of rich deposits of iron ores. Option A, 1, 2 and 3 only. Option B, 3 and 4 only. Option C, 1, 2 and 4 only. Option D, all of this. So here the correct answer is option C, 1, 2 and 4 only. That is strategic location, thick forest supply timber and elephant, availability of rich deposits of iron ores are the factors contributed to the rise of Magadhan Empire. Third Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, Dash was the earliest capital of Magadha. The answer is Rajagriha. Second one, Mudrakshasa was written by Dash. Answer is Vishaka Datta. Third one, Dash was the son of Bindusara. Answer is Ashoka. Fourth one, the founder of Mauryan Empire was Dash. The answer is Chandragupta Maurya. Fifth one, Dash were appointed to spread Dhamma all over the empire. The answer is Magamattas. Fourth Roman letter, state true or false. First one, the title Devanam Piya was given to Chandragupta Maurya. The answer is false because it was given to Ashoka. Second one, Ashoka gave up war after his defeat in Kalinga. False because Ashoka gave up war after his victory in Kalinga. Third one, Ashoka's Dhamma was based on the principle of Buddhism. Answer is true. Fourth one, the lines on the currency notes is taken from the Rampurva bull capital. The answer is false because it is taken from Ashoka's pillar located at Saranath. Fifth one, Buddha's relics were placed in the center of the stupas. The answer is true. Fifth Roman letter, match the following. Gana, people. Megasthenes, Indica. Chanakya, Arthasastra. Dharmayatras, religious tours. Here the correct answer is option A, 3412. Sixth Roman letter, answer in one or two sentences. Question number 1. Mention any two literary sources of Mauryan period. Question number 2. What is a stupa? Third one, name the dynastics of Magadha. Question number 4. What were the sources of revenue during Mauryan period? Question number 5. Who assisted Nagarika in the administration of towns? Question number 6. What do you know from the rock edicts 2 and 13 of Ashoka? Question number 7. Which classical Tamil poetic works have the reference of Mauryans? Seventh Roman letter, answer the following. Question number 1. What did Ashoka do to spread Buddhism? Question number 2. Write any 3 causes for the rise of Magadha. Eighth Roman letter, higher order thinking question. Question 1. Kalinga war became a turning point in Ashoka's life. How? Question number 2. Write any 5 welfare measures you would do if you were a king like Ashoka. Ninth Roman letter, picture study. Question 1. This is the picture of an Ashokan edict. 10th Roman letter, who am I? Question number 1. I belonged to Aryanka dynasty. I extended territory by matrimonial alliances. My son is Ajatasattu. Who am I? The answer is Bimbisara. Second one, I played a significant role in the transformation of society. I am used in making plowshare. Who am I? The answer is iron. Third one, I was known as Devanam Payya. I embraced the path of peace. Who am I? The answer is Ashoka. Fourth one, I established the first largest empire in India. I performed Salekana. Who am I? The answer is Chandragupta Maurya. Fifth one, I am found in the line capital of Ashoka. I am at the center of our national flag. Who am I? The answer is Ashoka Chakra. 11th Roman letter, decipher the code, the Mauryan Empire. First one, the first dynasty that ruled over Magadha was Dash. Answer is Aryanka. Second one, Dash Empire was the first largest empire. The answer is Maurya. Third one, dash laid the foundation of new capital at Pataliputra. The answer is Udayin. Fourth one, dash was one of the main exports. The answer is spices. Fifth one, dash became later the most renowned seat of learning. The answer is Nalanda. Sixth one, revenue from agricultural produce was called dash. The answer is Baha. Seventh one, the horror of war was described in dash. The answer is Rock Edict. Eighth one, Greeks called Bindusara as dash. The answer is Amritagatha. Ninth one, the crowning element in Saranath pillar is dash. The answer is Dharma Chakra. 10th one, Council of Ministers were known as dash. The answer is Mandri Parishat. Answer grid first one. Name the two kinds of government in North India during 6th century BCE. Answer is Ganasanghas and kingdoms. Second, who conducted second Buddhist council at Vaishali? The answer is Kalasoka, a king of Sisunaga dynasty. Third one, what is the modern name for Kalinga? The answer is Odisha. Fourth one, town was administered by dash. The answer is Nagarika. Fifth one, where was the third Buddhist council convened by Ashoka? The answer is Pataliputra. Sixth one, name any two major Magadhana Padas. The answer is Magadha, Kosala. Seventh one, which inscription records the construction of Sudarsana Lake? The answer is Junagar or Girnar inscription. Eighth one, who was the last Nanda ruler? The answer is Dhanananda. Ninth one, name the silver coin which were in use during Mauryan period. The answer is Panas.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be useful for your competitive exam.